you will be advised of new group members on the notification page and also asked to welcome them. To do that, select the Send Message button. That will take you to the Discussions page, and what you can do is you can create a new group discussion. You enter the discussion title and then enter the body of the discussion. You need both in order for this discussion to be created. And then select the Create button. And there you have it. And others can enter their own messages under this same discussion. And now you know how to welcome a new member in Keepical.